Me and my friend are gonna go haul. Well, we're gonna go camping with our tractors. We're gonna haul campers with our tractors and everything. Alright, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna get our tractors because that's all we have. Because we don't have enough money for anything else. But I gotta go wake them up. Hey, hey, wake up. So, you ready to go camping? Let's go get our tractors. Come here. Come on, buddy. Let's go get our tractors. Since yours in the front, you have to pull out first. I gotta get mine. Yeah, our buddy works there, so you just gotta. Or did you just want to follow me? Alright. Oh, good. Speed limit's 45 on this road also, guys. Oh my god! And don't mind me, I'm just fixing that. Alright. Alright. They're selling them at the customization shop today. Yeah. You can go, so to go there, you can turn right out this road, and I'll just go straight and hook up to my stuff. Yeah, we're east enough. Right there, yeah. 65 on main road, so yeah. Oh god, I forgot to use my blanket, bro. Jeez, I'm about to be arrested, bro. I'm about to get arrested. Alright, this one's mine, that one's his. Just back up to it. And there. Oh, good. Alright, let's go make sure everything's connected correctly. Yeah. Should be, yep. Let's go check on the inside. Make sure everything's good up in there. Ah! Alright, so this, and this. Alright. It looks good, Alright, it looks pretty good. Everything is good on mine. So, close the door and everything. Then, where's he? I hear him pulling up. Alright. I saw him. Oh my, look at that beauty. Yeah, so he's driving this big boy today. He could have turned left right there, but he missed. But he can turn left right here and go right to his camper. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna help him back up to it. Gotta jump over it. Yeah, hold on. This is my, alright. Head, turn right, turn, straight. Alright. Alright, back her up. Keep going, turn left a little bit. Alright, straight, keep her straight. And that's pretty good. Yep. Alright, let me make sure it's all good. Wait, put her in park. So I can take all the inspections. Alright. Let's go check on the inside of your camper. Alright, so, yeah, let's just check on the inside of his camper, make sure everything is all good and everything. Check. Yeah. Yep. Is everything done good back there? Alright, come out. Before you get crushed by the thing. Alright. If you just want to follow me to the campsite. Alright. Alright, boys. My turn. Alright. Alright. We're gonna need our heads done today. Because we're hauling them with... Hey, turn on your hazards. Ooh. We did it. Wide turns back over here. Well, this time we just need to go a little bit. We don't need to go 100 miles per hour past that. Well, yeah, guys. If you like this game, put a thumbs up on the video so I would know. And if I get at least like 10, 20, 100 likes on it, I will start doing more. Alright. I'm gonna do this real quick. Alright, here you go. Yeah. Yeah, alright. We are good to go in. I got our ticket set up and everything in there, so. Yep. Alright, I am gonna park right up over here. Alright. And right here. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's take her off-roading a little bit. Pretty fun. It's just immediately dirty, but yeah. We're gonna park my dolly right over here. So yeah, that is pretty nice. Ooh. Pull up right next to my camper. Everything. Alright, let's get everything set up. Grab the flap. Alright, should be good right there. Grab that down. So, I have like the trading value of like tractors, like an old crappy semi trucks or just easy. I got my stuff, and while you go do that, I am probably gonna just drive over here. What? Alright. Which one? That one? That tractor? Alright. I might go try to do that also. Well, with ours, and it them being muddy, they're gonna give us like a cheaper, very cheap one. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alright, I'm gonna just drive through here because I am professional. Put in two-wheel drive first. My god, before I break my trans.
Hey, do you have a car? Which one? I bet. I'm gonna go get some food.
Alright, time to use my thinker. So, alright, I have to let it go. I don't have to hit the brakes or anything. I don't have to do that also right there. Alright. Let's pull up and get it cleaned off and everything. Alright. Brand new, everything. All that. Oh my, we just made it and parked. My friend parked on the other side of the building, but yeah. Let's go see if they want to trade. Hey, sir.
Hello, sir.
So me and my friend was wondering if we could trade our tractors with our dollies for a semi or two. So mine is right here to right over here. So this is mine. Nice case. I got it not too long ago. It's used, but yeah. Yeah, just gotta walk right back over here. Hopefully there's no one coming in and out of this place. So if his tractor's still on, but it's this big John Deere with his dolly also, brand new. Alright. Oh,
I have this one. Kind of rusty, but it runs, drives perfectly fine.
alright.
Did it start?
Sure.
This one. Then we have this one.
Oh, not the blue one.
Want to hear this one?
Sure. They sound the same. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
So, we can trade value. We're looking at about. They're pretty much free.
Alright.
Bucks.
Alright.
I'll take you to the front desk and get that paperwork done.
Alright. Just walk right over here. Alright, guys. So, yeah, we're hopefully gonna get the two semis that they're trying to give us. Alright. So, I have to sign both?
Okay, follow me, sir.
Alright.
Just take a seat over there, please.
Alright.
Out. Okay, just need to go. Come over here.
Alright.
Please.
Alright.
Go to 4. And I'll sign mine.
Alright. Yeah, I signed them?
And then your official total will be $650.25.
Alright, here you go.
Okay, let's say mine's all yours.
Alright. Alright, guys. We are getting into my semi. And, yeah, let's go get my buddy that is camping with us. I don't know why there's a stop sign right there, but whatever. Alright, his buddy. Alright, his buddy's right there. It's right there.
Is this the only one you got?
No, bro, hop in. Takes a little bit of shifting. Takes a little bit of shifting, just get up in there. So there's gonna be another one right in this door right here. For you. Alright. Alright. If this thing will just go. These stick shifts aren't the best, so yeah. You're probably gonna. Huh? Well, mine's not. Yeah, you're kind of lucky that it is automatic. So yeah. Alright. Turn right. We are at max speed. Not currently, but soon. Oh, there he is. Alright, pull up next to my camper. Hopefully I don't hit it. Hoping that I don't hit it. Ooh. Alright. Turn her off and everything. And let's get her. Alright, boys, hold on. Let's get into the... You know what? Yo, bro, come here. Come in front. Let's go to this. Hey, come to the street real quick. Alright. Alright, bro. We better get to bed because how dark it is now. Alright, let's go. Oh my. Late night. Oh. Oh my gosh. Holy. I had a good night last night, so yeah. We're supposed to go soon. Oh my. Is he up? You check, cause usually he's eating or drinking coffee by now. Nope. Yo, bro. Come on. Yep, I knew. Right here. Alright, creamer. Alright. Hi, bro. What? Yeah, we gotta leave. We gotta get packing up right now, cause we're supposed to be leaving right now. So, gotta get going. Why I'm not? Then I just need to get the tarp. Tarps. Alright. Let's just... I'm gonna get mine set up real quick. And then we can go. Gear system is not the best on this. Alright, make sure it's all good back there. Alright, should be good. Just wanna follow me or what? Alright. Okay, now we don't need to talk to him because we don't need to. You good? Alright, you can run through there while we're heading home. Oh my! Alright guys, that was a little glitch that we had. That was an accidental glitch. Because we both don't have good internet right now, so we are just glitching, so that did not happen. So, yep, he is glitching very bad, where he can't stay on the road, but yeah. We are heading back to the house and everything, so hopefully everything stays good. Hopefully everything stays nice and tidy in this. But yeah. We are doing it. Oh my lordy lord. Hit brake, slow down. Alright, right here is the right speed. Okay, it's 45 miles per hour down this road, so can't go too fast. My friend lives right there. Well, he works right there, but yeah. You? No, let's not do it.
Why not?
Too much.
For 2 trucks, $500 for only 2 trucks.
Yeah, just we don't need them. All right.
Maybe go in and look for a truck, dude. So you don't have to drive the semi all around.
All right, guys. We are done filming this video, and hope you guys had a good day and everything. And yeah, please like and subscribe. This took us a day or something, somewhere around a day. Plan. Yep. See you guys.